Well, let's take you live to Warri in Delta State, where the Olu of Warri, Ogame Atuashe III, is set to confer chieftaincy titles on notable Itsekiris indigents. Do stay tuned.
Our Heavenly Father, we acknowledge your presence in our midst. We acknowledge you as the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords. We thank you for putting on the throne for us, Ogame Atuashe III, Seba, the Olu of Warri. The second anniversary of his coronation that we are commemorating now. Doing so joyously, doing so seeing progression. We give you thanks, we give you the praise and glory for it. Thank you for all who have come here today. And that which you have given him the grace to do, we know it is with your blessing. May your blessing remain with us. And by the time we will leave here, they will also leave with your blessing. The praise will be yours, the glory will be yours, because we have prayed in Jesus' name.
Ladies and gentlemen, with an absolute exception to His Majesty, please may we remain standing as we take Itsekiris National Anthem. Hallelujah.
Good afternoon, viewers. We are live in Warri, Delta State, at the palace of the Olu of Warri, where His Royal Majesty Ogame Atuashe III is conferring titles on prominent Itsekiris men who have distinguished themselves in various fields of human endeavors. Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good afternoon once again, viewers. We are in the ancient kingdom of Warri in Delta State, where His Majesty, His Royal Highness, His Royal Majesty Ogame Atuashe III is conferring titles on prominent Itsekiris men who have distinguished themselves in various fields of human endeavors. My name is Theophilus Agidi.
Distinguished ladies and gentlemen,
We just had the Itsekiris National Anthem, and very soon we are going to have the chiefs who have been installed moments ago to come and pay their homage to the king, who is right here seated in all royal splendor and watching proceedings that's going on here. It will interest you to also note that the Olu of Warri has absolute discretion when it comes to conferring titles on chiefs. That means nobody can be a chief in Warri Kingdom without the Olu giving a nod, or rather approval, to that chieftaincy. This is day 5 of the second coronation anniversary of the Olu of Warri, His Majesty Ogame Atuashe III and today is day 5. Four men have been conferred with chieftaincy title. Their names are Elijah Temile, Dr. Eimofe Atake, SAN, Walter Omasholaboyo, and Anthony Oris Erewa.
We once more appreciate the presence of Chief Engineer
This is Warri, which the Itsekiris also call a Warri, and they call themselves Oma Iwere, meaning children of Iwere. The weather here is quite clement, fluctuating between 28 to 33 Celsius, kind of cloudy here, with the possibility of some light showers according to the forecast for today. Right now we have a troupe performing to entertain the king and also guests who have turned up for today's events. Right now the dancers, having performed a bit, are now paying homage to their king. Notice the reverence and love with which the dancers are using to display their love and respect for this ancient stool. What we are having here is the entertainment of the king. As you can see, various dancers are coming out to entertain the king with their beautiful dance steps. also have people from various ethnic nationalities, particularly in the Niger Delta, the Robos, the Jaws, and others who have come to celebrate with these chiefs who have been honored with the chieftaincy titles today. And this speaks volumes of the peace that is being enjoyed in the coastal and oil city of Warri. You will recall that before now, Warri was the epicenter of a very serious ethnic clash, which rendered economic viability almost to nothing. And people in this city of Warri are trying to put things back together to ensure that glorious days which Warri had is brought back again.
Your Majesty, Game to share the thoughts here about the law of Warri, our father, our role model, purposeful monarch of Warri Kingdom. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you His Majesty. May we rise and give His Majesty a round of applause, please. Okay. Long is a reign on the throne of the ancient Warri Kingdom. May we be seated, please. Thank you. Your Majesty, we'll be acknowledging personalities from far and near. They are all important. Our own rights. We've been able to single out some other notable personalities that has come to grace this rare occasion of yours, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, we have in our midst Chief Chup Nduka Ezi, the Isama AJ of Asaba. We welcome you. We welcome Alwa. Your Majesty, also in our midst, former President of Nigeria Bar Association, we call him Warri Boy now, Warri Man, Barrister Olumide Akpata.
We have in this event various personalities from different ethnic groups across Nigeria, particularly in the Niger Delta, who have come to felicitate their friends who have been conferred with chieftaincy titles today. This speaks volumes of the peace which the people who live in Warri are currently enjoying. This is a contrast to what was obtained in the past, where Warri was rocked with a very bitter ethnic clash, which rendered economic viability of the oil city almost next to nothing.
Is also here. Ladies and gentlemen, Mrs. Queen Temile, and of course, the noble family of Temile, we appreciate you. Please, let's put our hands together for them. The Atake family, we put our hands together for them. May we also quickly put our hands together for actually Boyo, Walter Marshall family. The family of Erewa, they also here, we celebrate them, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the Otolus,
one of those who have been conferred with chieftaincy title is a legal practitioner
By way of acknowledging
Dr. Imofe Atake, who has been given the title of Olubogwa of Warri.
Who was also in the National Assembly. We appreciate you. Dr. Ajumayu is also here.
When they are talking, don't talk.
All right, sir.
Mr. Lucky Omere, Mayo, all the way from the United States of America, we appreciate your presence. Otolu Ima Okotebo, we thank you for coming. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, a guru in civil engineering, Josephine Orishameyewa I Boji, CEO Prestigious Builds Limited. She's also here. We acknowledge you. We welcome you all the way from Lagos State. All illustrious sons and daughters of Iwere land, wherever you are, we appreciate you. For want of time, want to take the citations of our newly bestowed chiefs, Your Majesty, to grant permission. Humbly crave indulgence to start with Chief Sir Elijah Omasan Temile, the Olujuwa of Warri Kingdom, alias Okpeyo. Please, may you rise. Your wife inclusive, please. Your Majesty, the citation of your Chief Sir Elijah Omasan Temile, the Olujuwa of Warri Kingdom, alias Okpeyo. Chief Sir Elijah Omasan Temile is born to the noble family of late Chief Emmanuel Temile, who was the Esama of Warri Kingdom. Chief Omasan Temile hails from Jakpa in Warri North local government area of Delta State. He attended the famous early primary school and St. Ambrose College, Usefro, both in Ughelli, Delta State. Thereafter, Chief Omasan proceeded to the Delta State University, where he bagged a bachelor degree of arts. Chief Sir Elijah Temile is a philanthropist. CEO Sir Elijah Temile Foundation, where he has been doling out assistance into education for the less privileged in the society. Sir Elijah Temile is a dedicated and devoted Christian in the Church of Nigeria Anglican Communion. He is a member of the Cathedral Church Bearers. Your Majesty, Chief Sir Elijah Omasan Temile, a humble man par excellence, is also fellowship and also Knight of the Anglican Communion, a lover of arts, culture, nature, and tourism. Sir Elijah is an accomplished businessman with vast experience which spans across the oil and gas industry. He has been clearing mountains of refuse dump in Warri single-handedly with the equipment of E.A. Temile and Sons. We'll put down together for him, please. Chief Sir Elijah Temile is an advocate of green environment, preaching green. Sir Elijah is happily married to his beloved spouse with blessed and focused children. Let's put down together for him once more. Okay, amen. Another Baba. Your Majesty, with your further permission, I crave your royal indulgence to call on Chief Imofe Atake's son to please rise, his wife inclusive. Ogame. Chief Imofe Atake's son, the Tolubogwa of Warri Kingdom, alias Rewuru, was born on the 20th day of February 1958. He was educated mostly in England, where he attended Carford College, Colchester, Essex, where he was a school prefect, house captain, athletics captain, table tennis captain, and played soccer and rugby for the school. He was educated at the London School of Economics and Political Science, that is University of London, and Darwin College, University of Cambridge, where he obtained a doctorate degree in law in the year 1987. He was called to the Nigerian bar in July 1983, and of course in 1999 he took silk, becoming a senior advocate of Nigeria's son as one of the only 12 persons appointed for that year. And that is the highest mark of distinction for the practicing of law. He has been in private legal practice since 1983 for a period of over 40 years. Of the over 24 years of those 40 years, he has been a senior advocate of Nigeria's son, that is a learned silk. He has been a principal partner of the law firm Imofe & Co. as barrister in Lagos State, Nigeria since 1988. Chief Imofe Atake & Co. is now a law firm specializing in marine law, oil and gas, arbitration, and commercial litigation. The law firm Imofe Atake & Co. barrister Dr. Chief Imofe Atake San were acknowledged and recognized in the European Legal Family of 2005 at page 85 as one of the country's most specialized shipping lawyers. In the field of shipping, the law firm and Dr. Atake have and still represented several protections and indemnity clubs that belong to the international groups of clubs. The news magazine, volume 30 at page 38, has this to say: Imofe Atake rise to his present height in the legal profession to a classic example of the small acorn growing into a giant oak tree. End of quote. We'll put hands together for him, please. Your Majesty, he has handled and argued contentious cases, especially in the field of maritime, admiralty, constitutional and commercial law at the levels of the courts, including contested appeals, both in Court of Appeal and the Supreme Court of Nigeria. Some of those contested cases in the higher courts are landmark decisions. On behalf of one of his several clients, he prayed that the Nigerian courts be moved to New York to hear a proceedings and take the evidence of some vital citizens of United States who live there. The judge agreed with him, and proceedings were moved to New York. The case went on appeal all the way to Supreme Court of Nigeria. The Supreme Court held in his client's favor. It was first time in the history of Nigeria legal jurisprudence that a court was moved to a foreign land to hear proceedings. In a constitutional case, he persuaded the Supreme Court of Nigeria in a full bench of 7 justices for the first time in Nigeria legal jurisprudence to hold that judicial officer who was ceased to be one could appear himself or in person rather than being represented by a counsel. He has been involved in enforcement of arbitration proceedings on behalf of multinational companies. He has served in the subcommittee of Technical Committee on Privatization and Commercialization for the privatization of the Nigerian Fish Company. He delivered a public lecture on the legal aspect of privatization and commercialization at international conference organized by Technical Committee on Privatization and Commercialization, TCPC, in the year 1990. He was president of Oxford Cambridge Club of Nigeria from the year 2022 to 2026. He has written numerous articles on legal subjects, especially in areas of marine and admiral law, privatization and constitutional law. Your Majesty, the last paragraph, I beg your pardon. He has written a book, Contempt in the Face of the Court, 1993, with a comparative analysis of various jurisprudence, including England, United States of America, Canada, New Zealand, Australia, India, and Nigeria. So far, it is the only legal textbook in contempt of court in Nigeria. He is married to Dorothy and blessed with 4 children. Eito Rishe, Timofio Rishe, Orisha Laju, and Amateshiru. These are his children. We'll put our hands together for Chief Atake. Next on our list is Chief Dr. Erewa, is the Orishiwa. I beg your pardon, Buyu. Your Majesty, I beg your pardon, sir. The citation of Chief Ajuni Boyo Walter or Mashola, the Usain Olu Ete of Warri Kingdom, alias Akature. Please, the wife should join in standing. Wives, Orisha, we want to thank him for doing so. Please, how many of them, please? 2, 3. Chief Malami beat you. Chief Malami came with 4. Are they still standing? Your Majesty, Boborao. Thank you. Silence, please. Okay, man. Afoshe. This will increase the Shekiri population in Jesus' name. The citation of Chief Ajuni Eboyo Walter Omashola Ajuni Eboyo, born April 14th, 1970, to the family of late Mr. Michael Ajuni Eboyo and Mrs. Dora Eyefujiri Ajuni Eboyo, both from Warri North local government area of Delta State. Is a transformative figure in business and politics. His academic path led him from Salvation Army Primary School and Stadium High School, both in Surulere, Lagos State. A first-class honor BSc in Business Management from Western Delta State University, 2017. Let's celebrate him, please. He is currently pursuing an MSc in Global Business Management at the University of Benin. His taste for knowledge remains unquenched. A visionary entrepreneur, Chief Ajuni Eboyo embarked on ventures such as shoe and leather goods production before founding Aroma Foodland Global Company Limited in 2011, I beg your pardon, Your Majesty. Aroma Foodland swiftly emerged as a market leader in Delta State's competitive landmark. Chief Ajuni Eboyo's influential leadership led to expansions and formations of other business ventures, employing over 300 members of staff across branches in Sapele, Warri, and Asaba, respectively. Chief Ajuni Eboyo, his dedication isn't confined to business. His driving force in politics, having served as SSA on youth development to the governor of Delta State from 2019 to 2023. His philanthropic endeavor have touched various educational initiatives, churches, organizations, and individuals. Society, Chief Boyo's accolades includes awards from Delta State University Alumni Association, Times Magazine, and Western Delta University. Underscore his commitment to excellence. Married with 4 wonderful wives, who will share. 4 is before me, maybe 1 is coming. I have 4 here, Your Majesty. So, including 4 children. And entrepreneurial spirit, unyielding philanthropy, and resolute leadership. Please put hands together for him. Chief Wonado, Eyoromu, Your Majesty, Chief Dr. Erewa Orishua of Warri Kingdom, alias Erujeje. Chief Dr. Gode Orishawino Tony Erewa is an embodiment of scholarship, philanthropy, and entrepreneurship that has made an indelible mark on education, business, and society. His life journey reflects on unwavering dedication to knowledge, social welfare, and leadership. Academically accomplished, Dr. Chief Erewa holds a master's degree in work psychology, business from Austin Business School, Austin University, United Kingdom. He also earned a PhD in business management from Igbenedion University, Okada, and is currently pursuing a second PhD in international relations and strategic studies at the same institution. Please clap if you wish to do so. In the realm of business, Your Majesty, Chief Dr. Erewa's influence is profound.
You've been watching a live program taking place in Warri, Delta State, where the Olu of Warri, Ogiame Atuashe III, is conferring chieftaincy titles on notable Itsekiris indigents. One of those been conferred with a chieftaincy title is legal practitioner Eyimofe Atake SAN.